Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to check your Southwest credit card application status. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. Although you probably can't wait to get your hands on your new Chase Southwest credit card, you should anticipate the application approval wait. While approval can sometimes be instant, the banking facility may need to verify the information provided in the application. To check your credit card status, follow these instructions. Call Chase Bank at 1-800-935-9935. The phone number is also in the description. Speak to a customer care representative, provide the necessary credit card details, and receive feedback. Alternatively, you can visit chase.com. The link is in the description to access the Chase Bank self-service site. Follow the prompts and contact customer care to determine your application status. So that's it. With these simple steps, you can find out if your Southwest credit card has been approved or not. Thanks for watching, and until next time.